Hello, Android enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the upcoming Android 16, Google's next major release for its mobile operating system. With new features, performance improvements, and a refreshed approach to development, Android 16 is shaping up to be a game changer. So let's explore what's in store for us in the next big Android update. Android 16, what's new? Before we get into the exciting features, here's a quick overview of Android 16's timeline and development. Android 16, codenamed Baklava, was first teased in November 2024 with its Developer Preview 1. Since then, we've seen incremental updates, with Developer Preview 2 launching in December. We're expecting the platform to reach beta stage in January 2025 and a final stable release in Q2 2025. Now let's dive into the features that have Android users buzzing, starting with a big improvement to one of Android's most used tools, the photo picker. Android 16 has revamped the embedded photo picker. The major upgrade? You can now access and select photos from your cloud storage, like Google Photos, right alongside your local files. No more bouncing between apps. Plus, there's a built-in search function, so finding that perfect picture has never been easier. And it gets even better. The photo picker can now handle configuration changes, like theme switching or a screen rotation, without breaking a sweat. Next up, Android 16 brings big news for health-conscious users and developers: Health Connect. Health Connect now supports managing medical data, including the ability to read and write records in the standardized FHIR format. This will help apps store and share immunization records, lab results, medications, and more, all while maintaining strict privacy and consent protocols. Google is continuing its push for privacy and security, and with the Privacy Sandbox, Android 16 is ensuring users' data stays safe while still allowing for personalized ads. Through Privacy Sandbox, Android 16 reduces third-party tracking by anonymizing data and using local processing, which means less personal data being shared across the internet while still supporting advertising ecosystems. Now, let's take a look at an example of how ads work with Privacy Sandbox elements. Let's switch gears a bit and talk about audio sharing. Android 16 introduces a super cool feature using Bluetooth Li Audio's Auracast technology. With audio sharing, you can stream audio to multiple Bluetooth devices at the same time. This is great for group listening sessions, whether it's music, podcasts, or a movie. Everyone can listen on their own device, no pairing hassle required. Imagine holding two Bluetooth headphones with audio streaming to both seamlessly. It's like magic, but real. Notifications can be a blessing and a curse, right? Well, Android 16 is tackling this with its new notification cooldown feature. When you get a flurry of notifications, Android 16 will cool them down for a couple of minutes, lowering the volume and minimizing alerts. This helps keep distractions to a minimum while still allowing priority notifications, like calls or alarms, to come through. These are just a few of the amazing features coming in Android 16, but there's so much more in the pipeline as Google continues to push the boundaries of what Android can do. To wrap up the development timeline, after Developer Preview 2 in December, we're gearing up for the first beta release in January 2025, followed by additional betas and SDK updates. By the second quarter of 2025, we'll finally see Android 16 reach its final release. So, what do you think of the upcoming Android 16? Will these new features make a big difference in your daily Android experience? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any Android 16 updates as we get closer to its final release. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.